Hi guys, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me. I have a project share to show you guys, and it's using the COCO and Reno's October die set, and it's the Thankful set. It's a fall theme and you get a whole heap of fun dies in the kit. If you haven't subscribed to their monthly kits, you really should do that. They have great dies for you to use in your projects. I'll put the link to their online website down below, and the details of how you can subscribe to their monthly kits as well. So this is the October kit. Look at all these wonderful dies you get in this set. These are so much fun to work with. Look at that, so many. You get this cute little bunny. You get all these fun little acorns. And these ones with the words inside the dies. I love fall. I think this one says thankful. No, sorry. This one says autumn. This one says thankful and gather. So much fun. You get all these little fun little fruit as well in the kit. So many dies, so much you can do with these fun little shapes. And I made a memory dex card with the dies. This is the heart, the acorn, that's the thankful die. Place that on a tag, and these are just some of my flowers. This is really fun to make. I also made a card. I did post these on my Instagram as well. If you follow me there, you can have a look at the projects on there as well. And I just embossed the paper, the cardstock, with this wood grain, I think like a wood grain pattern on it. And that's little eyes, and I put a little pom-pom on the tail. So that was another fun project. And then I made some embellishments with the fruit shape, so I could use these in my projects. That's the apple one, and then there's a pear, and they're the little hearts that came out of the, oh, not the apple, but I think it came out of the acorn. So I did have some of the heart shapes for that, and then this is the apple. These are really fun. I actually like these little embellishments that I make. I think these are really cute. And then I did cut these out just to show you. That's the one that says autumn on the leaf. So these are also a great way to add to your projects. And they cut really, really well as well. So I just wanted to show you guys these really fun projects using the COCO and Reno's monthly dies for October. And I hope to see you in my next video with their next monthly kit. Bye for now.